Hi guys, this is Martin and welcome to Martin Taste. Last week was my annual leave and I went to France for surfing. This one I've become a bit tagged. Anyway, I received a challenge from one of my colleagues, Sana. She told me that one of her Hong Kong flatmates made her a chicken rice and she said it was just so good. I asked her which chicken rice are you talking about and she said it's the Hainanese chicken rice, Hainanese雞飯. It is one of the very famous dishes from Malaysia and Singapore. In Hong Kong, people love it so much too. For Hainanese chicken rice, even though the chickens look like it's the main character of the dishes, but actually it's the chicken rice. So Sana challenged chef and let's get started. For ingredients, we have chicken stock, salt, ginger, lime, spring onion, garlic, red pepper, and the most important thing, rice. First of all, we need about 3 to 4 slices of ginger. Then for the spring onion, we need to cut it into several pieces. Basically, we need to flavor the chicken with salt, ginger and spring onion. For the ginger and spring onion, we're going to put it inside the chicken. Then we need to leave it for about 30 minutes. While we are waiting for the chicken, we can start preparing the rice. First of all, we need to clean and wash the rice. For the ginger, we need about 2 to 3 slices and cut it into mesh. Afterward, we have to stir fry the rice with the ginger, and we can use the fat on the chicken as the oil. We stir fry the ginger first. And then the rice. We just need to stir fry it for about 2 minutes to make sure the rice and the ginger are well mixed.有一点点，那还行。
这边继续，我们不说话。别紧张了。
别激动就行了。Okay. Once the rice is well mixed, then we need to cook the rice with chicken stock and salt. When we are cooking the rice, we have to cook the chicken at the same time. Put the boiling water into the bowl. Make sure the water is able to cover the whole chicken. And when it is boiled, we need to turn off the fire immediately and let the chicken cook in the boiling water for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we need to put it in ice water immediately. While the chicken is cooling down, we can start preparing the sauce. We're going to mix the salt, ginger, lime, spring onion, garlic, and a bit of chicken stock, mixing them and become the Hainan sauce. For the lime, we squeeze the juice with the salt. For the ginger, we need to remove the skin and then make it a mash. Garlic, the same, we need to mash it. Spring onion, the same, cut it into mash and mix it. And finally, mixing it with the chicken stock. For the people who love chili, you can add a bit of chili pepper into the sauce. The same, we need to cut it into mash. Once the chicken is cooled down, we need to chop it into pieces. As you can see, here's only half chicken. For the other half, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Now we have the rice, the chicken, and the sauce ready. And finally, we just need to put everything into a plate. Hi guys, so this is the Hainan chicken rice. If you got any question about the tutorial, feel free to leave a message below. Please give me a thumbs up and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for new video notice. Also, please leave a comment below and tell me what you want me to make. And Sana, here you go.
You can do these stills.
I have to.
That's really good.
Seriously.
Stop doing that. Yeah. Awesome. Camera down.